I'm just about to replace the fly screen in my fly screen door. So I've been putting this off for a while, but fingers crossed it goes pretty smoothly. As usual, it's freezing cold and pouring rain. Why anyone would live in this town permanently is beyond me. Cold, wet, part of the world. It's funny that everything I do at the moment is designed around getting me out of this place. Yet I'm in the place. Makes no sense to me. I pulled off the strip that goes around it. Now I pulled the fly screen out. I reckon this fly screen is probably as old as the house. And I reckon the house is probably 60 years old. So in theory, that's pretty good. And the only reason it's wrecked is because idiot people damage it. Not because the screen's falling apart or the mesh is falling apart, but it would have lasted, I guess, another 60 years if nobody put their fingers through it. I did consider not having a fly screen. That would solve all my problems because I don't open the door anyway. But I don't think other people would agree with that plan. Just taking a rest. So far, not bad. I think I missed a bit. I spoke too soon. I'm supposed to be putting one along the center there, one of the beads that keep the fly screen in. And I was going to do that last, but now I've pulled it too tight and I can't get that last bit in. So I'm going to have to undo it all, which is not a big problem, I hope. Undo it and then put this one in, and then do the top part again. So as usual, it didn't go to plan. Because I missed that middle section and have now done it, I was doing that middle section last, which means I'd already done this corner, which means I'd already cut the 45 degrees so it fitted perfectly. But now, because I've pulled the whole lot down a little bit to allow for that middle little holding strip, the corner of this is cut too short and the flies can get in. So now I have to put a patch on it and sew it up and do it again, which is a huge pain. My $2 sewing kit's a piece of rubbish. The cotton was too short. It looks alright, but I don't know if it'll hold together. Bloody needle is so tiny that it's impossible to thread. There's cotton through it. Then they gave you a little needle threader, thank goodness, that broke after using it once. You can't even pick it up. It's like the tiniest thing in the history of all tiny things. It's impossible. So I hope it works. I think it'll work, but Oh, because I cut it too short because I missed the middle bit. And the scissors, you can't even use them. They're like, this is brand new kit. I can't even fit my fingers in the little holes. I don't understand how they could make something like this and then how crap it could be. Or why I bought it. Okay, folks, if you're interested in improving your life in every way possible, you can go to my website at billgray.net, look under the store category and look for the Goal Chart program, my course, which is a step-by-step guide to improving every aspect of your life. Look under that, look it up, check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them. And if you want to contact me, you can do so through my website, the link's in the description below. See you next time.